Gaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntubwate etime tembo abo bagakora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania nabo igo cyo tebereriye kindi kinsi uraganie bagotebereriye company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao nabo igo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate no corrugated nabo igo box corrugated asimigo babwate boomerang ayuari aye chigage emerongetato asama bati ali aye chigage emerongibire na Isano na Isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago tena roman jinko na wigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya sigika ayo uchane warrant na wigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuligo busongo iyo irangene duka ya Safaricom wigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ire angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Vipi mbona mbota hapa, nini shida?
Unajikuta nani mshikaji wangu? Yaani unaweza ukavaa ujasiri kiasi cha kwamba unaweza kutoka na wadogo zetu kwa mada zetu ambao tunawategemea baadaye waje kuwa watu wakubwa, afu unakuja kuwachezea kila slice. Oya, Omboy. Sikiliza nikwambie. Bi mkubwa anapata tabu kinoma noma kumsomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa eh? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza wadogo zetu. Hivi si wangu, naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi uko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na
Ritiko ria kianda mutinyo gatano na rimwe mwaka w'ekiri 2025 werire buyago somo gasomo yo mwancho muri Getembe TV Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere Ere yobonge balna basonari kuri studio ya kabiri nera kona kyabuna chibichana maro yengu ikarachira senchira yobokira no gwisona makori nera gongonya cross muno abo imanyeriro nchengoro kwa Catherine Nyaboga kabana intogoika omwero natugo chakanigo umu inspector general w'abanyanyimbo Douglas Kanja ate yabiro botukinigo bwachakiwe eri kumanya bene ikirirete ugo kwa kwayo umu blogo yo mukuru ase county ya Homape asereta Albert Ojwang oyobaga ko bwatwari tkoria ijuma ase okagero kobeka mangana yoborimo asumutanda Twitter igoro yomo deputy inspector general w'abanyanyimbo Eliud Ragat Ojwang nigo abetega kubwatori tukirire jo makoro county ya Homape na koira gwika county ya Nairobi ase iretwe gwika cyobisi cyekyombekerigia DCI na kunengiwa magega yaye nigo abetega gusiekera osogotangwa ase gitaseni ky'abanyanyimbo gya Central Police Station korenderi tukore igoro nigo abete gusiria kagusira bugima bwaye ase cinchera cyobotutukano.
During a routine cell inspection, Ojwang was found unconscious. He was immediately rushed to Bagathi Hospital for treatment, as documented at the occurrence book number 9/08/06 of 2025 at 01 39 hours. Upon arrival, he was declared dead. Given the circumstances surrounding the incident, it was necessary to investigate the death in accordance with regulations governing death in police custody, and in line with the statutory requirements. The Independent Policing Oversight Authority, IPOA, was duly notified to commence investigations. Additionally, to ensure a thorough, impartial, and expeditious investigations by the Independent Policing Oversight Authority, I ordered the interdiction of the following officers with immediate effects. Number one is the officer commanding the station, that is the Central Police Station, OCS, the duty officer who was on duty during the night in question, the cell sentry on duty at the time, all officers who were on duty at the report office that night, and any other officer found to have been on duty or otherwise involved during the incident. The National Police Service remains committed to upholding the rule of law, human rights, transparency, and accountability within the service. And we will provide all the necessary... Say one or two things. Chair, please.
Bismillah. As the IG has said, we were informed about the death of the young man in police custody yesterday. Actually, the IG sent me a copy of the signal. And so from last night, we had already commenced the investigations. We have dispatched our team here. They have come here last night. They're still here today. They have visited the scene. Last night I had decided to come and see for myself this place where the death occurred. And I had informed the IG that I was going to come. So then he told me, actually I want to go in there, let's meet there. So I don't have much information to tell you from my power, just to confirm that we have received the information about the death from the IG, and we have commenced our investigations in accordance with the law. And we want to assure, I watched the Ojwang on TV crying. Any parent will feel the same pain when you have lost.
Kamati ye budget ne chibesa ase bunge ye senate nigo ye ikirimi ye county ya Kisii asera achie kumrana no mugavana we county ya Kisii Omoske Paul Simba Arati reo kora chinkwana igoro ya mateni eserikali ye county ya Kisii egodai wana mashirika eki karekyo nigo kerengete go sansora ingane ya mateni nabo igo ogwakano kwa bakoria mareremo be county ya Kisii.
And the Senate will help you maybe to get attachment for a few of you to come to the respective departments to help you in capacity building. That is your big brother, you can use that. So does the Senate believe that MCAs are adequately trained or supported to draft, debate, and pass meaningful laws for their counties? That question could not have come to the right person more than me. Because the 10 years I was there, we've spent a lot of money on training and capacity building and legislative drafting. And we've encouraged county assemblies to get legislative draft as legal people, and they have done the same. Those ones have been trained, and the training has not ended. It is ongoing even now. From time to time, the drafters are called and retrained. And if there is any gap in the county assembly of Kisii, let us know. There are many entities that can help so that you're able to benefit from it. We believe with conviction, we are not any different. Okay? Majority leader, what is your highest level of education? Not any different from the members of the National Assembly or the Senate in terms of capacity to be able to do what you need to do. All of you spoke in English, nobody spoke in his mother tongue, right? you have the capacity. The level of representation could be at the grassroots, but we don't doubt your capacity to be able to get legislation. And where you feel we can help, please. The Senate is there for...
Mokonyo bene bomurai bwensi ya Kenya Muske Farouk Kibet na barai nigo bagendere ko mumocho yo kabeire umurai omokonyo bomurai bwensi Muske Rigathi Gachagua oyobono romurai bweki amakerigia DCP ase chinkwana aberega ko bwatuka chinsemo agotara anene muno ichirengete kurama barai bari barase serikali nabo igo kuigereria chiburaburu ase obochori buri mutwe bo mwaka 2027 abarai aboni igo bono baruro kuboria gochase abakenya kuitanga ni chinkwana chiaye omosko Gachagua.
Yule mkabila sasa ameanzisha jina ingine anajiita Cousin, lakini mimi namrudisha tu, namwambia yeye bado ni mkabila. Yeye anazidi na kuweka asidi katika taifa la Kenya. Yeye ametabiri kwamba tutapigana 2027, ashindwe asishindwe. Mimi ninashangaa wakati mwingine anaongea haya maneno akiwa kanisani, akifanya uchochezi.
Hii kabila ambao unatetea wanaishi katika Kenya nzima. Hao ndio wafanyabiashara wakubwa katika nchi yetu. Ukiwachochea unataka kuwakusanisha na Wakenya wengine. Kuna watu ambao wanataka Kenya hii kumwagike damu kwa vyovyote vile. Na sisi tusiposimama kidete, tusipowakemea, tusipowakashifu, Kenya yetu haitaenda vizuri.
Agenda yao ni William Ruto aende nyumbani. Kwani William Ruto aendange nyumbani kila siku? Si anaenda kwake. Sisi wote tunaenda manyumba yetu. Na wengine wanasema sijui one term, wala hata wanasema one term hawakumaliza quarter term.
Totigarete asensemeyo ya siasa mawaziri bobokoreri bwa serikali Muske Geoffrey Ruku nigo atebire serikali ya Kenya kwanza se serikali yanene insebora ibwae Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigo irache kogendera gusira chisemi mense yakogera chisemi na chiranyare kubeka bakenya ase ayamo Ruku na barebande nigo boigo bamochire ensemo yo kwamirira serikali anene mono ase okogendereria obokabira se batebire abakenya n'abanta is
the only equalizer we have in this world. Mtoto wa maskini na matajiri watakaa katika meza moja kwa sababu ya elimu. Kwa hivyo tuko hapa kuhakikisha kwamba we are supporting all the education initiatives, not only in our county Embu, but also in all corners of the Republic of Kenya. And I know indeed the government of Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto is truly committed in ensuring the education system from the primary school to secondary school to TVET colleges to other colleges to the universities are supported and are giving proper training and skills to the young people of the Republic of Kenya. We can't build a nation when we balkanize our communities with shares, with cousins, with regions. We can only build a nation when we work together as a people of one nation, one flag, united under the boundaries of the Republic of Kenya. We are all sisters and brothers as a nation. Maneno ya kusema ile region ile ingine mulima sijui baharini sijui cousins, hiyo yote ni maneno ambayo haina msingi wowote wa kuendesha Kenya yetu mbele. Kenya itaendelea mbele kulingana na vile rais na naibu wake wanatuonyesha kila siku ya kwamba we are one nation, we are brothers and sisters, we are
na togo chigokorera mawaziri w'ekinguru cy'omuriro Muskopio Wandai na barekurase county ya Siaya nigo batogire getambukero cy'umurai bwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto kyokumirana na barekurase county yo anene mono gwanchirana gukora emiremamo osegosira county ya Siaya ase amagenderero ngati abarayi abo nigo baririra yo gocha kogendera kumubwatse umurai bwense anene mono kweneke abuna ense ya Kenya ngosikere motwe.
Under the new constitution, no county can operate in isolation. No county government can operate in solo. The constitution dictates that county governments work in tandem, in coordination with the national government. Kakajosia, we must be in the forefront in ensuring that there is a harmonious relationship between our county government and the national government led by President William Ruto. Hii safari tumeanza ya kuunganisha wa Kenya chini ya Mheshimiwa Rais Ruto na Baba Raila Amolo Odinga, lazima tufikishe mwisho kabisa. Wale ambao wanatembea wakieneza mambo ya ukabila watabaki nyuma peke yao. Wakenya wengi wameamua kwamba tukiendelea mbele lazima tuungane tuwe kitu kimoja, na mambo ya ukabila tuachane nayo kabisa.
And I want to congratulate the President for being forthright and ensuring that there's affirmative action in supporting our people.
I want to tell the President that we'll stand with him when the right time comes. And I want to ask the Luos in wherever they are, that it's not right for us people to always have doubts about us. It's not good for people to have doubts about us. That now the President has laid for us the red carpet. The President has accommodated us fully. We should not give the President mixed signals. We should not give the President mixed signals that whether we'll go with him or...
Kianda cha butokire igoro Chinsa Isano na Ibere cha bono mugaso mwancho muregereria ikuminchi koira na gega ngoretera yo mona yanda senchira yo bwenge urusone makori na rangonya cross muno hoy manyerero balna basendari na rore kone kebuna chibichana maro wingo ikirachira senchira yo bwekra ni chengatire ni Nyaboga twaro borege borobyo tomrande chiweka 10.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda umsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo engale iyuerengia na woigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na woigo cho tebereria kindi kinsi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na woigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate no corrugated na woigo box corrugated asimigo babwate Dumrang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati aliaye chigage emerongibere na Isano na Isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na woigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na woigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na woigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi woigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakiranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na woigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyega ya Ouru Superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyumucho yigo busongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom woigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.